The next category is for a Medium Renovation Project sponsored by the Lighthouse charity that we've been talking about all day, who does such great work. And Sarah, can we now please reveal the winner?
SG Design and Build Construction Limited. We are the Lighthouse charity. We are here just to support people in construction with mental, physical and financial well-being.
I think it was like our third job since we started a company. So that, it was like really early into us being a business. It was a really big renovation. We took a lot on taking it on and it really turned out really well. I think that's what makes it special, is the fact it was so early into our career as a company. It just gratifies how hard we do work, the attention to detail we put into what we already do. So I think we'll just carry on doing what we're doing and hopefully it just gets bigger and bigger and we do bigger projects that are more like this.